Don't explain everything. Let it land. Because the more you explain to protect yourself, the less people lean into what you are saying. Rory Sutherland puts it in a very specific way. People trust what they can't quite figure out. Not because confusion is good, but because intrigue pulls people in. And trust is built through delivery, not over-explanation. So you leave a little space, you support it with proof, and you repeat it until it sticks. Over-explaining quietly breaks that, and here is how. Because you're nervous, you feel you have to explain everything to prevent criticism. You try to answer every possible objection in advance, but in doing that, you remove the reason to pay attention. Today, let's change it. Cut one explanation. Keep one strong hook. Then publish. If you are worried about being misunderstood, hold this. Over-explaining feels safe, but clear framing is what actually earns trust. Do you think over-explaining comes more from fear of criticism or fear of being misunderstood? Drop a comment. And if you want more creator systems that help you speak clearly and build trust faster, like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next post.